Hello, I'm Tara. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download your brush set to Procreate. So in this case, I'm going to use the chain brush set so that I can show you how to add that to Procreate and start creating your work. So I'm going to click on the brush set here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the three buttons at the top right. About halfway down, there's an open in icon. I'm going to tap on that, and that exports the brush set and brings up a pop-up window asking where you wanted to direct the file. So we're going to direct the file to Procreate directly. Okay, so we're going to do that. It's going to import, and in this case, this is the second time I've actually imported it, so we should see it twice in my Procreate brush library. So that's pretty easy. So let's try that again. We're going to go back to the Google Drive folder that I sent you a link to, and we're going to go to the metallic swatches, which I'm going to tap on that real quick. And the same will go for this one too. I'm just going to open it in. It exports and asks me where it wants to be directed, and I say Procreate. All right, and there we go. So I'm just going to look down at the bottom. This is the second time that I've downloaded it. I just did a little practice run, but I wanted to show you. Here we go. We've got two of them. If you are like me and you went ahead and downloaded it twice and you don't really need that, you can just delete that second set. So, and at this point, you're all ready to roll. So I hope you enjoy your brushes, and thank you so much for supporting our small business.